Audio Jungle.
In this video I'm going to show you how to make baby shark 65. So have baby shark chopped into small pieces. Then I'm adding required amount of salt, oil for frying, turmeric powder, coriander powder, red chili powder. This is 3 garlic cloves, a small piece of ginger, a small piece of tamarind, 1 green chili. I'm going to coarse ground this ginger, garlic and green chili. I'm adding required salt, a pinch of turmeric powder, half teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon red chili powder, and then the coarse grounded chili, garlic and tamarind paste. Mix it well and keep it aside for 10 to 15 minutes. Then I'm adding half teaspoon of oil. Mix it well and keep it aside for 10 to 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, the baby shark is marinated well. I'm adding this to the preheated oil. Fry it in a medium flame. Flip it when the bottom is cooked well. Both sides are fried well. Baby shark 65 is ready. You can turn off the flame, transfer it to a plate. It's ready to serve. Very soft and juicy fish 65. Baby shark 65 is ready. A very yummy and healthy recipe. Try this recipe. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Share and subscribe Food Fandom. Comment your feedback. Thanks for watching.